Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lego minifigure friendly animals. Um, there's 2 dogs and 3 birds. So let's start off with the birds, shall we? Okay. This is the pieces you will need. Dark green cheese slope, 2 1x1 bricks with attachments on the sides, 1 1x1 tile, 1 1x1 plate, 2 of these dark green, I call them General Grievous feet, but I'm not sure what they're actually called. A brown 1x2 and a light green 1x2, or a regular green 1x2. Okay, first you're going to take your brown 1x2 and you're going to put these facing outwards. Then you're going to take your green 1x2 and put it on top. Next, you're going to get one of your dark green grievous feet and put it on one of the side studs. Next, you're going to get the 1x1 plate and the grievous feet, one of the grievous feet, and put it on top of the 1x1 plate. Put the 1x1 plate on top on the other side of the grievous one on the side. Then get the dark green cheese slope and put it on top of the dark green grievous foot. Then turn it on, put it right there, and get your 1x1 tile and put it on the front. And there you have a duck. Next, we're going to do a little basic bird here. Okay. Take your beige piece and take this piece. I really don't know what it's called, but if you guys can tell me in the comments, that'd be great. And then get a 1x1 stud and put it right next to it. After that, get a 1x2 dark red and put it on top. After that, get a 1x2 black and put it on top. Sorry, someone just walked into the house. Okay. Next, a 1x1 dark red on the opposite side. Then, a 1x1 grievous foot in black and put it on top of the 1x1 red plate. Then get a dark red cheese slope and put it on top of the black grievous foot. And there you have basic bird. And now a finch. Okay, I'm not gonna take this back because it's gonna take a while, but it's basically a 1x1. I mean a 1x2 on top of a 1x2. Then take a 1x1 tile, put it right there. Then get a 1x1 stud and put it right there. Then take a light green grievous foot and put it right on top of the 1x1 stud. Then take the black cheese slope and put it on top of the light green grievous foot. And there you have a finch. Now on to the dogs. Now, I just made these little dogs. If you can tell me what you think they look like, then it's what it looks like to you. A 1x2 brick white. A 1x1 with a clip. Put it right there. Sorry, someone walked into my house again. Okay, and tooth. Shark tooth, little ones. Put it right there. Then take a 1x1 red stud and put it right there. Then, sorry, everybody slams that door. A 1x1 1x1 brick with a little hole in it, but it also has that little indent, and put it on top of the 1x1 red stud. Then hold it like this, and get a 1x1 brick, and put it up there. There you go. Then the last dog and the last thing in this video. One of these 1x3 bricks with a little arch. One of these 1x2s, but it has a little thing for some attachment. Then you put it right there. Then you get a 1x1 light green stud and put it right there. Then get a 1x1 brick with the stud and an indent and put it right there on the light green stud. Then get a 1x1 brick and put it right there. And then There you go. One little dog with a green collar. Thank you, thank you for watching this how to build episode with me, and I'll see you next time. Always like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.